everyone. In this video, we'll be creating the box punching machine in NX12. So this is how the box punching machine looks like. And then I'm going to start with drawing this body piece, and then I'm going to create the other parts, and then I'm going to do the assembly of everything. Okay, here I have the state drawing for the board. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by making this part and this and this, and then I'm going to finish the drawing. So as you can see here, we have our origin. And then this is Y and this is X, meaning this thing is from the top view. So we're gonna start by saying sketch, and then I'm gonna select my top view. And then moving from this center to here, it's 12.8. The dimensions now. And then the dimension of this from here to there should be 8,4/2. Start by making this to be horizontal, and then rapid dimension from the origin to here. The distance from here to this line is going to be this 6.8, since it's the diameter for this one. It's 6.8/2. And then our radius is 0.8. Now you can see that the sketch is fully constrained. And then I can just hide this into this one. And then what you can do, you can also draw these two here, or first, okay, I'm gonna first revolve this and then come back and draw these two. So I'm gonna say revolve, and then I'm gonna specify a point, specify the vector first, and the vector should be X, and the point should be the origin. And then apply. And then it says sketch. Let's go. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make these two parts. I'm gonna start by making a line, a center line here that we're gonna use as a reference. And as you can see here, moving from here to there, it's 34.6, meaning and then the height from the center to here, it's 9.2. There it is. Then again, look at dimension. It's a car. It's 9.2. And then if you can see here, moving from here to here, it's 16.7. And 16.7 starts from here, not from the origin. So now I have my line that I'm gonna use as reference. So now I'm gonna start with this part here. And as you can see here, the diameter here should be 4, and then the height will be 5. So we can just use the rectangle since we're gonna use revolve. And this should be 2 since this is the center. For this one, then let's make this one. This one is 10.8, meaning starting from here to there is gonna be 10.8 over 2. Diameter for this one, it's 9, meaning from somewhere here to there is gonna be 9 over 2. Then it is then from here to there, it's 11.6. There's 11.6. Then now what we need is this one. Then we're gonna add the arch. The our arc will be 0.8, the radius. Okay. The reason why it's saying 0.8 is because as you can see here, it's saying 0.8 radius and 2IP, meaning all the radiuses that are like this one would be 0.8, meaning this one and also this one's are 0.8. So now the sketch is fully constrained. Okay, now we're gonna make this line here from here. Then I'm gonna extend the line down there. Okay, here is something wrong. This 10.8 is from here to the side diameter. So meaning here my radius should be, so I should start here to the making 5 10.8 over 2. Okay, now the sketch is fully constrained, and we're gonna leave this line since we're gonna use it as our axis when we're doing the revolve. Then I'm gonna say revolve, use region by curve boundary, and start with this one. Sorry, selected extrude, revolve, select this one, specify vector, use this line, and then apply. And also again, same. And then specify vector, this is our vector, and then apply. And then now we have this and this and this. So now I'm gonna draw this. Okay, now we're going to draw this. So let me first make a line here at the center. And that line should start from there until here. Just to be sure, the distance from here to that line should be 0.8 times 2, since our radius here was 0.8. And also from here to here should be 0.8 times 2. And then I'm gonna have my line going up this line up until there. Let's make this line. This should be 5.4, as you can see here. And the height for this one should be 10, since we're gonna minus 0.8 times 2. So it's okay if like that. And then we're gonna make our line here. What I want to do here, as you can see, there's this line going like this, but it doesn't go to the edge. The one that goes to the edge is this one, and you can see here this thing, the distance from here to there is 1.2. So what I'll do, I'm gonna make a line from here to there, and then I'm gonna say offset by one. Okay, I need to select the center. Okay, this one by 1.2. Apply. And then I'm gonna extend my line to there. Then now we have this line, and this line is this line. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Now the distance from here to there is 23.8. Let's cut that 23.8. And the angle we have here is 51.4. Now our sketch is fully constrained. We can now use offset by 1.2. As you can see here, it is 1.2. And select all my lines. Okay, wait, something that I forgot to do. Before doing offset, sorry to do the fillets twice. Let's add all the fillets. So it's gonna be here it's 4.4. And then it's 1.4 here. This one is 2.4. We also have this one here, which is 5.4. Then now we can use our offset tool. Then you can even say connected gears, and then change the direction to inside. Here it should be 1.2, and then you say apply. And then now from here we're gonna extrude. So you extrude, and then use region by curve bound. And then I'm gonna start with this one and say symmetric value. And as you can see here, the distance from here to there it's 2. So make sure here it's symmetric value, and then it's 2. You can say unite and select the point. Let's say apply. And then now we're gonna extrude this. So unite, and then for that one it should be 4. And make sure it's also symmetric value. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the hole here and here and there. So I can just say extrude sketch. This diameter, if you can come here, it's 4.2. So it should be 4.2. No, 4.2. So we think we made a mistake. I think I added an extra second. Okay. And then I'm gonna say extrude and make sure it subtracts here. And then I can just drag this like this and apply. Okay. That's something I didn't do. Let's first do this. Like that. Let's first unite our body. This and this. Say apply. And then to check if the body is a solid body, you come here. Yeah. Okay, this also we also have to unite this and this. And now it's a solid board. And then you can now use extrude. So it's 4.2. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Now we're gonna make the circle for here. The small one, it's 7 seconds. Seven is for the bigger one, is the whole way. And then the small one is 1.75. Set that one 7. And now the see, it's this one, this two, and also the space in here. So, okay, let's remove this extra. This is sketch. Cycle diameter is 1.6. This radius should be 2 since it's 4. And then from here, orbit dimension, center to the center, maybe to the 5.6. What about the height? It's 1. It's gonna be 1. So I just make it even. Let's do this. Okay, here one is from this line to there. So this one is gonna be, and let's make this from here to here to be zero. And then now the sketch is fully constrained. And you can say finish. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extrude and say unite. Make sure it's symmetric value. And you can see here it's 7.4. And you say apply. And then now I'm gonna make this space. How? Let's say extrude sketch. Seems the problem. Say here it's 7. It's 7. It says 7. Then here the space should be 1. So I'm gonna need two lines that's parallel. Or let me just use a rectangle. So yeah, the distance from here to there doesn't matter since we want to cut this thing out. But you have to make sure that it's outside this or it's aligned with this. And then you have to also make sure that your sketch is fully constrained and the diameter here is 7 as it is given here. And then the space is 1 and there it is. Then I'm gonna extrude in the other direction. So separate. Here it's 11.6. Yeah, what is missing now is the thread. And then our threads, it's in 5 by 0.8. So you're gonna go to more, then we're gonna add the threads. Say it's M5 0.8, 12.8 deep. So yeah, apply. After adding a price, let's see if we've done everything. I think is missing. If you can see here, this and this is not the same. So let's go back to our sketch. And this here. And then yeah, now this one has been fixed. Make sure there's nothing here on your sketches. Now we're done with our body part. This is it.